you are then incentivized or encouraged to use efficient irrigation systems, and also for ensuring the financial viability of the decentralized water management institutions established by the Water Act. The Water Act came forth heavily to devolving power from government and gave the powers now to the users within basins and even local areas. And to sustain that, the Act is very clear that this institution must now make a charge for water so that adokona kuba vibrant, abe operational, and akone kuseva the mandate that is given in the Water Act, which includes water permitting, monitoring of obstructions, compliance issues, river basin planning, and outside like national planning, which will culminate into a master plan. And these institutions, foot soldiers, that will just ensure the work on water management is too big. Another reason why we pay, the operational efficiency. For us as government, in the long past times, the 70s are analog systems, and would go once a month or once in a while, it's happening at river gauging stations to connect a match, we are still bigger office. See, in the past period. But now we are seeing a move towards near real-time data, which becomes useful not only for water management, but also to the users themselves. So by the time sesingena payment demand our systems that improve our decision making, our planning, resilient towards climate shocks. Lokusho government, we did have a project, Italians. We had 8 gauging stations that were near real time. But to maintain this going forward, we needed the resources. They began going to government. We have other projects with partners that